O askimo local bayan ol toko sem. O sa bayam kakao, klon koko na ol German breed koko ya. Mi askimo no to nogat nogat. One per DY to soil can give you 7 kilo eh. Just imagine 7 kilo one per DY full grown mature clone koko DY. I think him 7 kilo. Okay, now it's a buying price I'm start was 6 kina per kilo. I'm kind of so one per DY I'm gonna give you 42 kina. 42 kina or one black cocoa DY. Suppose you got 300 black clone cocoa DY. You make it 42 kina times 300. Remember, kind of roughly 12,600 or one black garden 300 black clone cocoa. Think 12,600. And big no money. Like, you know, clone cocoa I'm harvest regular harvest after every 2 weeks. Cacao money. The money inside cacao. 2 years a long time. You make one black garden within 2 years and you harvest now. Me talk fast more than vanilla. Vanilla boy, I'm take it time to grow, go, and mature out at finish then. I don't know, maybe 5 years or 6 years before the boy start harvest na. Start end the vanilla. But cocoa market and fix. Even price can drop still, but you can make good money. Kilo. Time to watch this video. You spend him 2-3 megabytes per watch this video when I inspire you more than you spend him 100 megabytes below watching more little TikTok number about now little funny videos on the internet number and help you. You look at my good video on posting the success, work hard success, inspiring you. Spending megabytes below watching this like my video and inspiring you. World them change, or money change. Everything now is money tool. So you either engage slow making money or you like just stop on and watching more clown TikTok funny YouTube Facebook number go. You banana bla anymore bla something. Funny banana bla buy him, jokes banana bla buy him, rice, tin fish, rental clothes bla you. Spending megabytes below watch good something on the internet. Also me play part play me lo coco na me post. It's a video ni him. Look him inspiring you. Or you work money or start a town, bisa ba you know at ground. Town stop. Tingin mo mangi start a place. Usa dem sa ground na stop. Sali money ko bigyan ng to mo money ya buy rice tin fish simple boys youth cutting place. Paano kakaulo yo? Makasta natin. Mangi lo place to stop. Makasta natin. You got the little space for ground stuff. At least plan him some cacao. 500 pla, 100 pla. At least you manage it. One pla DY can give you 7 kilos. And then you multiply them by, you got say 10 pla DY. It depends on price please and area stuff. So local buy 6 kina, 7 kina. I think 49 kina low. 7 by 7, 7 kilo by 7 selling price. But then I can alone by the way, I say you got 10 pla. I'm around 490 kina. Tingma. Ting big pla start loco, start lick. Isi go bayat si Vitriman beliau. And pasol. Saya belum ni pemvideocate lo kakao